So I love this image, however I don't love the yellow graphics on the ground behind the couple. So an easy fix for this would be the content aware tool, which is J on the keyboard, or you can find it over there in the bar. I don't know if this is going to work with the lockstone. It's not going to match the brick up properly. And if I do it down here, it's going to look kind of funny with the suit. Also, I have a lot of images to do this with, so this isn't really an easy option for me. Yeah, it looks terrible. I can't do that on like 20 images. So instead, I'm going to create an action that I can run on all the images, and it should be pretty easy, maybe a few seconds per image to fix it. I'm going to create a new action called yellow to gray. Everything I do once the action starts to record, which it will do automatically, is going to be in the action, so make sure you follow along. Create a copy of the background layer, Command J on the keyboard, or you can bring it down to the new layers button beside the trash can. Okay, so on this layer, we're going to hit Command U, or Image Adjustments, Hue and Saturation. Then we're just going to target the yellows. Bring the saturation down all the way. This isn't too bad. However, I really want the lighter bricks to fade into the dark bricks. So if I bring the lightness down as well on just the yellow still, it should be okay. Now this looks terrible in the rest of the image, so we're going to put a black layer mask on. Hold down the Alt button and click on the layer masks to get a black layer mask. This is where we're going to stop the action so that we can run it on other images. Now I'm going to pull up a white brush and I'm just going to work on the black layer mask. Just easily paint it over and it's done! Yay! We're all set! Now let's save this and we're going to see what it looks like on the other images. So we're going to open the other images and File, Automate Batch, and this should automatically pull up under action, the most recent action that you're currently clicked on, and the source will be the open files, and we're just going to hit OK to run the action on them. Good, just using the white brush tool on the black mask, we're going to brush over all the yellow in the image that we don't want. And super easy, maybe a few seconds per image. All set, yay!